Hi, I'm John Wedlake from WireTrain. I come from the motorsport industry. I've been working in it since 2000. I've worked across a lot of different industries, from working in America with the IndyCar guys, doing Dakar, World Endurance Series, worked with F1 teams, and almost every other formula and style of racing in between. So we have a really good insight into motorsport wiring. The concept of WireTrain was we came up with another wiring company who had new staff coming into their company, and they were struggling to get them up to speed quickly, find out if they had the right aptitude for wiring, and also they didn't want to take their other team members away from the main task of the day just to get other people up to speed. Therefore, we developed the WireTrain training course, and we have now taken that so that we can offer that to other teams and individuals. And again, in 2 days, the idea is on our pro wiring course, we will get you up to speed with the industry techniques, using industry tooling and industry materials. So why is having good wiring training and experience important within your team or within your team members? One example that we once used was, would you let an amateur welder have a go on your race car? You probably wouldn't. You would want someone with good prior experience, knowledge and training. The same goes with wiring. With sophistication of racing cars getting greater every year, every team should have at least a couple of team members who have the fundamental knowledge and practical experience of professional wiring techniques, so that you can do, at the very least, running maintenance on the track, but also you can do smaller jobs, smaller sublooms, and work when you're back at the workshop. The motorsport industry needs people with professional wiring skills. We need those skills to be in-house. We need to bring together a broad set of knowledge and a broad set of practical skills. Online learning can be really good and giving a bit of a steer in that direction, but you really need to have practical hands-on experience to learn the techniques and the tricks of the trade, and working with the actual materials that you're going to use in the industry. And quite simply, that's where WireTrain comes in. We bring together those with the interest and the ability, but we now combine you with the learning of the practical techniques and the background knowledge, so that you can learn not just the how, but the why of wire and wiring industry. And when they leave our workshops, they're going to leave with a greater depth in skills and knowledge of this really quite complex topic.